So today I thought that we would make some zipper pulls, and what we would need in order to make the zipper pulls would be, of course, we would need our shell, our collet, this black piece, which I cannot remember the name of it, but we will need this black piece. We will need a clip, and of course we will need our graphics. Now we're going to be using one of these graphics. I guess our theme today is Be Kind. This graphic which says you are kind, worthy, loved, capable, strong, and important. So we'll be using that graphic. We will be using this graphic here, and this graphic is another Be Kind artwork, and it says, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. And then this one here, which just simply says Be Kind, and it's in the sign language format as well. I thought that was really cute. So a lot of these are already cut out because I was already making some for some clients, and then I decided, hey, stop and let's make a quick video because you have not made a updated video yet. So with that being said, also I tried something new. I was not sure how it was going to work out, but I think I love it. But instead of putting my Mylar, which I did not say we needed, but we will need a Mylar as well. But instead of putting a Mylar on every single one of them, I used this right here, which is a transparent sheet of paper, kind of like a sticker. So I use this, and I don't know if you can see it, but it has glitter in it. So I used that instead of the Mylar on some of them, and I think they turned out pretty awesome. So one of the first things we want to do is we want to cut our work down so it will fit in our punch. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through, and you can tell already, if you were wondering, I had already put a piece of transparent paper on top of it. Do you see how that looks? I love it, y'all. And we're going to cut it down to send it through our punch. That way it goes through fairly easy. Line it up. And again, if you guys already follow me, I put the black lines around my artwork, especially if I'm using a white background, so that I'll know where to line it up so that when I punch it, it will be centered. And I am sorry about the noise. The machines and stuff on my table are vibrating when I punch down. So I do apologize for that. I've got to find another way. Okay, so we have that one, and let's see, this one was already cut down, so we'll go ahead and punch these as well. Also, for these zipper pulls, I'm using the 1.50, the 1.50 inch. I'm trying to do it so it won't make all that vibrating noise. The 1.50 inch for these zipper pulls, but I do think you can also use a 1 inch or 1.25 inch for zipper pulls as well. But I like the 1.50 inch for zipper pulls. get these cut. Let's see. We can do those. These don't have that piece on them because I had already stuck it to it. But I guess what I could have done was showed you how I put the piece on, so I can do that. And you see I messed up. I did not put my sheet, my line. I didn't put my line on those. So now I have to like be careful when I'm centering it, because I'm scared that I'm not gonna have enough. But that came, it's cute. Just have to be careful on how you're centering it without the line. Let's see, let me see if I can, let me move that right quick. Move these over. And we'll just take, do that right there. Let's see. I only want to cut just enough to cover that. I don't know if you can see me in the video, but so I only want to cut just enough for that. And we'll put that out of the way. And do we want it on these, or do we want it on some more of the, I'll tell you what we can do. Here, let's see. Let's try this. We will. So I love them on those, on that one and that one. Absolutely love it. So what we'll do, and you have to be careful because you don't want your fingerprints up under it and then your fingerprints are on your customer's artwork. Okay. So that's that. See that? It's kind of cute. I guess I really didn't have to cut that like that because I'm going to cut it anyway. That's what I was thinking. Let's see. Okay. And I think I'm going to put those on that one. And we have that. So, let's see. We're going to move this over so you can see it good enough. We're going to put our shell in. Pick up one of our graphics. Put our well, hold on. Because I want it to do it first without that one on. So, what you normally do, you put your shell in, you get your graphic, put your graphic in, and then you would get your Mylar and put your Mylar in. Get the back piece, which is your colic. Let's see. Back piece, which is your colic, and put it in. Okay, we're gonna swerve, pull down, then we're gonna swerve again and pull down. Okay, and there's the button. Pretty cool, huh? So we're gonna take our black piece and put our black piece in. And then we're gonna take our clip and we're going to, if I can hold the clip right, we're gonna put our clip in. And I do like it where my clip, where this side is gonna be facing out. So, how's that look? So this is the one with the Mylar. So when I didn't use a Mylar, and I loved how it turned out as well, I put my shell in, I put the graphic with the transparent sheet on, and then I got my colic and put it in. And we pull down. Pull down. And then we're gonna get our black piece and we're gonna pop it in and listen to it click. And we're gonna get another clip. If I can pick it up. And we're gonna pop it in. See, it's so cute. Now you can put this on your pullovers, on your jacket, on any zippers that you have, your book bags. Some shoes might have zippers, and I think it's one of the reasons why some of them use some smaller pieces. Your coats for work or anything. This is a cute little reminder, especially with what we have going on in today's time all over the world, to be kind no matter what. And see, I love this one too. And it's a cute reminder who you are. Because I think a lot of people get lost in who they truly are. And just need a cute little reminder. So, or if you put it on a batch rail or something like that, one of your patients or somebody you encounter at a store or something might read it and needs that reminder of who they are. You never know. So, that's that. I love it. It's so pretty. I love how that transparent paper on top of it gives it that glittery look. Pop it in. And then we put our clips in. And that's it. So I was making several of these zipper pulls for some people. I did mess up on a couple, like this one here. It's actually upside down because this needed to be up here. So you do have to pay attention on how you're putting it in your machine so that they will turn out right, which is fine because I'm just going to take this and I think I'm going to turn it into a batch rail, and that's another video. So, yeah. I actually love them. I still have some of these to go because I had already did these. Now, I do love this one. However, I do think my coloring was not dark enough on some of them. And let's see. So we've done that one. That one. Let's see. There was some more. The other one that I love. Oh, this one here. I love how that one looks. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Alright, so if you enjoyed this video or any of my videos, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. I love to read each and every one of your comments, and I look forward to them. See you next time.